Some kind of a voltage attenuator that, like a BCA or something?
No, I have a...
Accelerated, it gets brighter?
No, there's a little power supply in there, and then it runs a proportional ESC, so it goes from low to high.
Got it.
So,
throttle cut.
Right about half it comes on.
Got it.
And then goes up.
Got it.
Normal mode.
Just a little bit longer.
It is, but it works. Not gonna mess with it till it breaks.
Ready?
Yep.
Timer cleared.
Don't come this way, you're good. Just go.
Gear up.
Yeah, that's cool. It has its own light.
No pass!
I'll stick with you.
Is that top speed on that plane, Mike?
Yep.
You think the Cherokee's faster?
I'll have to test it.
You're flying full right now?
That's full right there.
Are you going slow?
I'm right around half throttle right now.
Ray is definitely going slow.
Oh, I'm going slow, yeah. I'm about half.
Like
Alright, let's go full throttle together.
Oh, I don't know if we'll do it together. I'll go with you, but I'll stay low because
This is full throttle, Dad.
I'm at a quarter right now.
With the landing gear up, it goes a lot faster.
I'm sure there's a bit of a drag.
Wait, so
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Mike, how much what's the top speed for the other plane, Mike?
With the gas plane?
Yeah.
I'm not sure.
It's considerably faster than that.
All right, I gotta go fast.
I go ahead.
Ah, dang bug right in my eye. Right at the wrong time. That would have helped. You're right. It wouldn't have gone in my eye that way.
But it's surprisingly fast, huh, Dad?
It sounds slow.
He just lapped you.
So what? We ain't racing.
And at the Reno Air Races?
If you were racing, he would beat you.
Livermore Air Races.
If you were racing, he would beat you by now.
Of course.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Miles away. I'll just land when you land.
I'm gonna go like a madman.
What is it like flying that jet?
It's not as easy as the Hawk. The Hawk is really easy. This one's a little more complicated.
See, hear that, Dad?
What?
The Hawk is a lot easier.
Alright, I'm gonna do touch and go.
Touch and go.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Hopping.
I pulled up too hard. It snapped out at the top.
Climbing. And knife edge. And then knife edge. Hammerhead. I got 2 minutes and 18 seconds left.
Time remaining 1 minute 7 seconds.
I got a little over a minute.
What does it mean by 1
Time
minute and
remaining
7
1
seconds?
minute.
That's my how much flight time I have left.
Until what?
It's
Hmm?
surprisingly fast.
Until like it dies?
Yeah, for what?
No, until I gotta land.
This thing probably goes around 30. What do you think?
No, it's like 50.
That guy?
Yeah.
No, my
Yours. Yeah, yours is like 50. Yeah.
So this 50, how fast would you say yours goes?
Mine does a little over 120.
30 seconds.
And I put the stock motor back. It had another motor last week. It wasn't as fast last week. So there's a fast speed. There's a fast pass.
Alright, are you gonna land?
Go ahead. I've got
Time remaining
10 seconds.
9, 8,
Alright,
7,
I'll land.
6, 5, 4, 3,
Watch this landing, Dad.
1. Time expired.
There you go.
Wait, what do you mean time expired? Does that mean like, is that like your timer for how long you want to do it for?
Yeah. I gotta land. That's when it tells me to land. All right, so come on in, Mike, and then I'll... Is there any wind? I don't think there's any wind.
No.
Go ahead.
Gear down.
Does the gears come down really fast?
Landing flaps.
Does what?
Does the gear come down fast?
It's down in like 2 seconds.
That's fast. Do you have flaps right now?
Yeah. So I got to keep the speed up, otherwise it slows it down too fast.
And then it will just drop.
Just drops, right?
Let's see the smoothest landing you got.
It's like in a real airplane.
Yeah.
It's like a rare
Flaps
airplane.
up.
If you go too fast, you're gonna drop. You're gonna drop out of the air. If you go too slow, you're gonna drop out of the air.
Yeah. And I did that up there. When I pulled up, I pulled too hard and it went and did a weird thing. It stalled. All right, I got to blow these bugs out of here. Ugh.
They're called
Whatever the heck they are, they're annoying. Let's see if I can get them out of here. Where are they? That work? Get out of here! It's gone now.
So does the jet bodies have a different stall speed than the
Yeah, they stall slower. I mean, it's different because they don't have, with prop planes,